In recent years, there's been an increase in the number of reported incidents of dog attacks which have left scores of persons still nursing wounds. But what, if anything, that you can do to protect yourself if you're attacked by a dog? Giovanni Dennis has been speaking to experts.
What would you do if a dog attacked you like this? These dogs are trained not to let go. Fortunately, this was a demonstration by professionals at Guardsman Security. But unlike these men, most Jamaicans are not trained how to respond during a dog attack, nor do we wear thick garments to withstand a dog bite. So how can you prevent a dog attacking you? Devon McDonald is a dog trainer with more than 30 years experience. He's formerly of the JCF K9 division.
The best thing is to do is not to run. Just stay still and warn off the animal. And if you have nothing in your hand, simple. A lot of dogs right now, if you just behave as if you're going to pick up something from the ground to throw at them, they will retreat.
Here's an example caught by security camera. But again, what if the dog is unrelenting?
Try and get yourself cornered into a corner. If you have on a pair of shoes, take off one foot or take off both foot. Put your hand on the inside of the shoe, like that, and fold them like a boxing glove. And go down, creep down. I am not asking you. Go down, creep down like that, and get ready to defend yourself, because that thing you have on your hand, which is your shoes now, it can become a defense.
He says if the dog sees that you are defending yourself, it will retreat. But
if it's more than one dog, you just have to be prepared that you may get 1 or 2 bites, but it will not become fatal.
these are basic tools you can walk or jog with that can be used in your defense. For dog expert Pamela Lawson, walking with a spray will be less conspicuous but may be just as effective.
If you spray that at the animal, they're not going to like that. And it's not as offensive or as aggressive.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.